Welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy Closet Nerds, and back with another video. Here we have the Black Panther War of Wakanda. And again, like always, I always forget. I sanded first, but this time I took a lot of time into this before I am actually going to put the primer on it. I'm sorry, which I am going to right now. Where is it by? Oh, here we go. We're hit it with this right now, and then sand it again. I have so many ideas for this little project here. So I'm gonna need you guys to really stick around. Really stick around. Don't go anywhere. I almost ran out of filler primer, but good thing I have about 3 more spare cans. But this is the first coat. Looks pretty nice to me. I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit. And then I'm gonna sand that baby one more time. So guys, once it dries, I'm gonna show you how I'm holding it all together. Normally I would tape it up and things like that, but now I'm at the point where I just add the magnets in a lot earlier. So I like the way it came out. So what we're gonna do right now is wait for this to dry, sand it, kind of straighten that out there. Now I'm gonna hit it again with the sanding paper. But before I do that, I did say I was gonna show you guys how I did it. So we pick it up, it's all together. As you can see, got the magnets there. It's one side of it. Here it is again. Not pretty strong. There it is there. Just snap that. Snap that. And it's good to go. As you can see, that simple. But I'm gonna hit it again, try to sand it down. Hopefully it's not shaking a little too hard. Oh yeah. Sorry about that, guys. I'm in the garage. And the garage door is open. Due to the painting, you're gonna hear a little noise. So, let me cut this noise out and take care of this. I'll be right back. Second coat. Let's play nice. Look at that. I just hit it with a second coat, and this is gonna be great. It's coming out pretty sweet already. Now, before I hit it with a clear coat, I have these two little vents right here. I have them on off to the side. I'm waiting on those to dry as well. I should have did it up here so you guys can see, but it is definitely gonna be right. Sorry about that. The airplane's in the background. Like I said earlier, I am in the garage and the door is open, so the garage doors are open while I paint anyway. But like I said, once that dries, I'm gonna hit it with the graphite powder. And this should turn, the black into a nice shiny little metal looking texture, or we'll see what it looks like. But I'm only gonna hit the diamonds and this little fabric here on both sides. That's the only side I kind of want to hit with that. And I can't forget the two empty slots. Those are the vents. I'm gonna hit those as well. But let's give this a few minutes. Well, it's gonna be a little longer than a few minutes. This is the second coat. Let's let it dry and I'll show you guys how I'm gonna do that. But please stick around. And while you're here, hit that like button. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe to the channel. Join the Nerd Nation. Okay? Be right back. Before I use the graphic powder, I want to hit it with a clear coat. And again, guys, I apologize for the loud noise. I am in my garage, and I believe someone giving me a dog here. But if it's a little too loud, I'll just go ahead and cut this out. If not, I'll leave it in. But I'm going to hit it with a clear coat, keep it nice and sealed, and we're going to make this magic happen. Let's get to work with this. I've never really used this at all. This will be my first time, and we're gonna do this together. They say it's pretty messy, so I'm supposed to wear gloves. As I can see, it does look pretty messy to me. We'll deal with that later. Just put that there. Okay, let's kind of move this up. And I'm going to use cotton balls. Let's see how this works. Holy crap. Oh man. I don't think you guys can probably see that angle. But oh man. That looks nice so far. Yeah. Guys, you guys are definitely gonna like this, and they weren't lying. This stuff pretty. It is pretty messy, as I can see that. I'm gonna try to get it right here. I'm gonna try to get it like right here so you can see exactly what I'm seeing up top. Can you guys see that? Look at that. Now that is pretty cool. I see I'm gonna have to clean up all of this cotton swab mess. I went ahead and hit it one more time. Once more. And I went ahead, turn the camera a little bit here. As you can see, like right here, I taped it back up a little here, taped it up as well as on the diamonds and everything, just to give it a nice little gloss once more. And I finally came up with the idea with the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do the mirror. Hey, how you doing? It's me. So I'm gonna let this dry for a little bit, and we're gonna get everything off. See you guys in a bit. But while I'm here, well, while you wait anyway, do me one favor if you haven't already. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and subscribe. Join the Nerd Nation once more. Appreciate it. Be right back. I'm back. What do you guys think? So, like I said, I was peeling this tape off. One second, let's get this. It's like I can see it, but it's hard to see. And look how that look, guys. And that's the effect of that graphite powder. Like I said, my first time trying it, and it is pretty sweet. I will be using it again. Don't know what for you. Don't know what for yet, but matter of fact, I do know. I have a Mandalorian helmet I didn't even start on. So what do you think? And I used a little mirror tint for the eyes, as you can see. So guys, let me get this off, and I'm gonna give you one solid final shot of this. And just like that, people, we are done. What do you think? What do you think? Pretty sweet, right? And remember those two little vents I told you about? Boom, there they are. So, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think I should build next. And once again, thank you for watching. Closet Nerds out. See you next time.